Okay, good morning. In fact, good afternoon, all of you. And first of all, happy World Environment Day. In fact, that's why we are here celebrating.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So, myself, as Nikita had, introduced me, Manisha Saini from Hara Jeevan. And I really am really thankful, Shahnawaz, I volunteer, green enthusiast, for inviting me here, giving this platform to talk on waste management. Thank you so much. Okay, so Nitika had rightly said about waste management and entrepreneurship, and I suppose I'm supposed to be talking today about these two things, right? So in that case, I would just briefly talk about two key words here. First is entrepreneurship, and then secondly about waste management. Now, if I talk about entrepreneurship, it's my, Shanwas, my personal thinking that if I divide entrepreneurship in three parts, entrepreneurship, right? So we hear the sound enter your, where? Enter yourself in your self-worth. Pren here means, literal meaning of pren is your worth. So when I enter myself or you enter yourself in your worth, whether it is your skill, whether it is about you, your self-worthiness, you become an entrepreneur. Entrepreneurship और कुछ भी नहीं है, सिर्फ मेरा अपना सेल्फ बिलीफ है, मेरा सेल्फ वर्थ है, मैं कितने सिग्निफिकेंट हूँ इस वर्ल्ड में. Okay, then I come to waste management. Everyone knows waste is waste. If everyone agrees waste is waste, but there are few people around who say that waste is not waste. Waste is a resource. But otherwise, we have to link these two things together. Before coming to this, I would just say one thing. Ritika has rightly said the three P's: people, planet, and profit. Right? I say there are again three P's: passion, passion, passion. What is passion? First passion, passion about yourself, passion about myself. I am passionate about myself. Why? Because I know I have self-worth. मेरे अंदर ताकत है तभी मैं आज यहाँ हूँ. आपके अंदर ताकत है तभी आज आप इस वेबिनार को ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं. Because you have some passion inside you for something. Right? Second P, passion about resource. मेरे क्या resources हैं आसपास? If I talk about me, what is the resource I am having? I have got eyes, I've got ears, I've got nose. That is my resource. I have two hands to work to. In my house, I have so many things, resources with me. I have hundreds of resources with me. So I have got passion for resources. Thirdly, I say passion towards cleanliness. मुझे अपनी body साफ करनी है. I have to keep it clean. I should have everything clean. मेरा घर, it should be neat and clean, impeccable. When I step outside the house, the road should be clean. My ambience should be clean. So when I'm having these three passions, then I assume my career of waste management is done. अगर मुझे entrepreneurship करनी है और waste management में करनी है, I should possess these three passions. As Nikita rightly said, I should have. There are people around. There is a planet. There is a profit being covered or taken out from this waste management. Then only we can pursue a career in this specific field. Remember that. For example, I say one thing. Let's suppose I just tell you guys to go in your kitchen Just open your dustbin. Okay, आप जाइए, आप अपना डस्टबिन खोलिए, खोलकर आप सिर्फ उसमें मार, आपको वहां पे क्या दिखेगा? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, आपको जो दिख रहा है उसके अलावा क्या आप उसको देख सकते हो? कैन यू सी दैट साइड ऑफ डस्टबिन? उसके अंदर जो फिल्थ पड़ा हुआ है, जो गंदगी पड़ी हुई है, कैन यू गो एंड जस्ट सी इट एंड कम बैक विदाउट एनी फ्राउन ऑन योर फेस? अगर वो परफेक्ट है और आप उस गंदगी को देख सकते हो, आई थिंक दिस इज फॉर यू. दिस लाइन माइट बी फॉर यू डेफिनेटली. सेकेंडली, मैं उस गंदगी को साफ भी कर सकती हूँ. कैसे? अभी आप लोग इस क्राइसिस में सब लॉकडाउन में हैं, अपने घर में हैं, तो आप कहेंगे मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ या क्या कर सकती हूँ. सो आई सजेस्ट व्हाट यू डू इज, आप सिर्फ एक मिशन रखिए एक दिन का कि मैं आज इस डस्टबिन को जीरो कर रही हूँ या मैं इस डस्टबिन को साफ कर रही हूँ. कैसे? I have one thumb rule. I have one thumb rule. There is a chat, the voice is background, which is of your mic is disturbing. Is there any disturbance?
No, Manisha ji, there is no disturbance from your
Okay.
side. You're
Okay.
loud and clear. Very, your voice is
That's
clear.
fine. That's perfectly fine. Do let me know, Shahnawaz, if you feel like if there is a disturbance
No, no,
there.
no.
Yeah?
We can
Sure.
hear you clearly.
Okay. So if I'm talking about waste management, I just say that you have a dustbin with you and just assume that आप उस डस्टबिन को नीट एंड क्लीन कर रहे हो. अब आप खुद सोचेंगे कि हाउ इज इट पॉसिबल दैट आई क्लियर माय डस्टबिन and it is not full of all that filth and nuisance. See, the thumb rule of waste management is dividing and segregating my waste. कोई भी वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट कभी भी वर्क नहीं कर सकती जब तक आप उसको सेग्रीगेट नहीं कर रहे हैं. The thumb rule, I again repeat, of waste management is segregation of your waste. Just think, आप अपने कूड़ेदान में, आप अपने डस्टबिन में दो चीजें देख रहे हैं. One is wet waste, one is dry waste. Now, wet waste and dry waste. What are these two things? You might be wondering why I'm talking about wet waste and dry waste when I'm talking about entrepreneurship on waste management. See, this is possible only and only when you start thinking about what exactly the waste is. मैंने अपने वेस्ट को जब तक समझा नहीं, जब तक जाना नहीं, I cannot do anything. Forget about entrepreneurship, I just can't do anything. So remember, I repeat it again, वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट तभी पॉसिबल है, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप तभी पॉसिबल है जब तक मैं उसको एट सोर्स सेग्रीगेशन नहीं कर रही हूँ या कोई भी नहीं कर रहा है. So if I divide my waste into two categories, broad categories, wet waste, dry waste. Now then you can just think that, okay, what all goes in the wet waste, what all goes in the dry waste, and assume that you have got established two dustbins in your kitchen. One is for wet, one is for dry. So what all is biodegradable in my kitchen? Peels, fruits, anything which is biodegradable, I put it in the wet dustbin and the rest I'm putting it in the dry dustbin. Now, maybe after 3-4 days, you're not touching those dustbins. You're not just throwing away the waste. What you're doing is just open those two dustbins. You will find that the dry waste one is perfectly fine. आप उसमें हाथ भी डालेंगे, आपको उसमें कुछ भी गंदगी नहीं होगी. Is it manageable? Can you work on that waste? Yes, you can. Because अगर मैंने एक प्लास्टिक की बॉटल उसमें डाला है, मैं 3 दिन के बाद, मैं हफ्ते के बाद भी उसको निकालती हूँ, मुझे इंटैक्ट मिलती है except certain dust on it. I can work on that waste, isn't it? In the same fashion, if I am seeing my wet dustbin, I will see after 3 days smelly, बहुत गंदा ऑर्डर आता है उसमें. I just can't touch it. It's too messy. Now, how can I work on waste? And how can I talk about entrepreneurship in waste management? Yes, it is possible. अगर मैंने अपने वेस्ट को सेग्रीगेट कर लिया ड्राई वेस्ट और वेट वेस्ट में, now what is going to happen is, let's pick wet waste first. I can build my career in wet waste management. Let's see how. To begin with, I will start with kitchen first of all, because everyone is nowadays in your houses. मैं अपने घर में, if I'm segregating my wet waste, I can just compost it. Just think, जिस वेस्ट डस्टबिन में आप हाथ नहीं डाल पा रहे थे, आप उसको टच नहीं कर सकते थे, उसको मैंने कन्वर्ट कर दिया ब्लैक गोल्ड में, कंपोस्ट में, which is again so beneficial for my garden, my pots, my plants. So if I'm talking about career in wet waste, yes, I can start with collections. मैं collection शुरू करती हूँ wet waste का. I bring that together, I compost it, and I'm selling compost out of it. With all that kitchen waste जो कि हम डस्टबिन में फेंकते थे, just closing our nose, oh, it's too smelly, it's too dirty here. Same question. I come to, if I say hot waste, you just see outside with the आप अगर अपने गार्डन में जाते हैं, you will find so many leaves out there. उन leaves को हम क्या करते हैं, एक तरफ उठाकर फेंक देते हैं, and we just assume NCD will come and pick it up. The more these leaves are there and I collect those leaves, I can put them together, make a beautiful compost out of it, and just distribute to the people around, sell to the people around, earn money from that. What a wonder I'm doing. Just think what a wonder am I doing. So in the same fashion, I can work on my animal waste also. Now animal waste, have you seen the cows? कितना litter करते हैं वो लोग roads के ऊपर? And now if I collect that all together and maybe I start vermicomposting. Vermicomposting is, the vermicompost is one of the best compost in the world. It is a nutritious, most nutritious thing which I can provide to my soil. इससे मेरे कितने काम होते हैं? I am reducing my soil erosion, I am providing nutrient to my soil, and I'm not putting any chemical fertilizer into it. So what have I done? I've converted my animal waste into a perfectly most beautiful thing which could have been created in this world. Again, giving it back to the Mother Earth. So now what is this happening? My kitchen waste has been converted into compost. My my cow dung waste has been converted into compost. My horticulture waste has been converted into compost. And if I've got a land or I am a farmer, I can, collect all my rice husk, convert it back into a compost. Or maybe I create pellets. Pellets is something chalk-like thing. एक chalk अगर आपने देखा हो white color का जो boards पर लिखते हैं, same way it's a black color chalk style thing, which is like compost को हमने compress करा और उसको pellet form में कर दिया. I can use that for cooking. Now see what beautiful thing is been happening around. मेरा जितना waste था, it's been slowly turning into something useful, which is again being used by someone or somewhere someone is using it. This is nature. Now they had come with the, like for example, अगर आप pellet को किसी भी household को देते हो and they have a cooking stove and they are using that as a cooking fuel, so my dependency on LPG has been reduced. This is nature actually. हमारी एक चीज जो हम निकालते हैं वो एक रिसोर्स बनता है नेक्स्ट के लिए. If you have heard of ecological balance, every small species has got some significance. In the same fashion, anything coming out from a human being, from my consumption, any utility coming out from me can be used somewhere. So personally speaking, it is not a waste, it is a resource. So I should say always that waste is my resource. So this is what we can do from the wet waste. We can earn money out of it. We are basically helping nature to come up with something beautiful out of anything which we provide to the nature. Now, if I come to my dry waste, if you say, I start collecting maybe from the households. I can have a career in waste collection from all the households. The more, the merrier. Why? Because more resources I'm getting, more profit I will be getting. Now, if in the dry waste, it can be like I'm collecting plastics out of it, I'm connecting it with the recyclers, I'm selling to the recyclers, I am having glass bottles, obviously not the broken ones, but intact bottles. Yes, again I can connect with the recycler. Then what else can be in the dry waste? Just think of anything. You have an answer for that. I will show you a live here. Can you see this? Look at these. I can show you one more. These are nothing but tiles. These are so colorful, beautiful tiles. What are these made of? If I show you, you can hear the sound. I'm just hitting it. What are these made of? This is all made of my waste. The entire plastic waste which I'm generating, that can be my shampoo container, that can be my maybe my biscuit wrapper, my the kitchen, all the wrappers which are coming out from the kitchen, or all the chocolates, toffees which we are eating. I can create this, and I can just think what beautiful landscape I can make out of these beautiful colors here. मैं बहुत कितना सुंदर पेमेंट मैं बना सकती हूँ. From where? From all the waste being generated in each and every house. So I can make tiles out of this. And if I collect paper, I can make beautiful paper, maybe paper bags, maybe paper frames, anything we can think of. Unleash your creativity. You can create wonders with the paper which is coming out of your household. And if I am into the profession, yes, I can definitely go for the collection, and I can start making very good decopath water bottles, the glass bottles. If you have seen this, you can just search it out, Google it out. Decopath is a very beautiful art where I'm converting from the waste beer bottles. I'm making beautiful, beautiful, showpiece in my house. If I have creativity, I make those bottles, sell it in the market, and it's sold on a very, very good price. Rubber tires, again, that's a waste. And मेरे जो जूते खराब हो जाते हैं, what happens to that? I can collect them. I can make new, shoes out of that. For example, I tell you, Adidas, they have started this. They have started collecting all your marine trash, and 75% of the shoes which they are making from that marine trash. Just think, उनकी जो parley collection है, that is all made of all marine trash. So the entire plastic is been collected from the ocean. It has been recycled. It has been reused and made into the shoes as well as the clothing. Totally hygienic. So it's such a nice cycle has been made of. So why not we can start this? Yes, we can. We can definitely start with all this. So these are the few examples which I can provide on this platform. Waste to wealth. Oh, great. Yes. And there are, there are so many examples. I mean, this platform will be a very small, place I can tell you these things. And that is the reason I am saying, if you have a knack for this, if you have a passion for this, then please start first of all loving your waste. Take it, considering it as your resource. Once you start doing this, then the list is endless. You just think of it. Okay, I'm going to purchase vegetables. I go to a mandi. You must have seen where they the pomegranate, that crates, big boxes of pomegranates, and there are huge pieces of small, those papers inside it. Collect that, mix it in the cement, make beautiful cement pots. So examples are enormous. Now it is for an individual person to have a huge creativity into it. Start working on it. Just think about it. And if editors can do this, anybody can. If I'm doing it, if I tell about myself, uh, maybe 5 years back, I never used to keep waste in my, home. I used to say, just it's a filth, please throw it away. I don't want it in my home. Next day morning, the garbage person used to come and I used to say, okay, please, bhaiya, isko le jao. I don't want filth in my home. Today, I'm not. I just avoid actually giving him any waste. Honestly speaking, I am just giving, not even half a kg in a week's time. And I'm really a proud person for that. The proud in the sense, I'm really happy that in today's date, whenever I see that landfill site, oh, I'm proud. See, my contribution to this landfill site is almost negligible. And every day I'm working on a step further ahead, that I should not throw this, 500 grams or maybe 100 grams to the landfill site also. So every day my brain is working. इसको कैसे reduce करूँ? इसको कैसे खत्म करूँ? इसको कैसे reuse करूँ? How to make it more creative? This is is. This is what is like, keep on involving, keep on engaging yourself. Okay, what next can be done? What next can be done? And money will flow. See, money can flow if I have self-worth. So again, entrepreneurship, waste management, if I talk about, it's my self-worth basically which is making, the magic around and let the money flow in. So I should not worry about how the money is going to flow. Basically, I have to work on these 3 P's which I told you earlier. Passion about myself, passion about the waste or the resource, passion about cleanliness. So if I have got a passion for cleanliness, if I have got the passion for cleanliness, what I can do is just a sec. I've been told that I have to give me a second. I hope my sound is not that clear. Hello. Hello. Shanawaz, are you there?
Yes, I'm here. I'm here. Your
Uh,
voice is clear,
my
ma'am.
sound is better.
Yeah, yeah. Your voice is clear. We can
Okay.
hear you.
It was slow. Okay. So where were we? Yeah, we were talking about passion. So this is it. See, waste management is nothing but if I am having these 3 P's, just slow it down. I am having these, possessing these 3 P's, I am done. Okay, if I talk about myself, I always used to, have this knack inside me that I want to be an entrepreneur. I want to do something. But again, I say like, okay, I want to do some business, right? Uh, I really wanted to have a meaning for that business. Okay, I make clothes. I'm not, you know, harming someone, or I'm not just degrading someone. I'm just talking about myself here. That if I am into a business, it must have some worth. some worth for this earth, for this, for these human beings, so that my life is of some worth. In the sense, now today, if I am here, I am as a chief executive of Harajivan, and Harajivan is, in the it's just a 5 years old organization. And when we just started with a group of 4 people, 5 people together, and we just used to plant trees around and increasing the green cover around. And we never had a thought that okay, we'll reach at this place. Really proud to share this with all of you is that in today's date we have almost worked for more than 6 tons of waste being generated per day. 6 out of the entire huge tons and tons of the waste being generated, we are on a small figure of moving around 6 to 10 tons waste. We make sure that this waste is not been going to the landfill site, come what may, whichever type of waste it is. We worked for so many schools, Delhi, NC, the point that the horticulture waste being generated out here will not go to the landfill site. It will be composted there itself and be reused in the campus, in the premises itself. Same fashion, we worked with MCD. We had the honor to work with them, the North Delhi MCD, and in Rohini area, we started working on 16 tons per day, 16 tons per day. And within a span of 6 months, we could work on 90%, success rate. And today, proud to say that waste is not being thrown in on the landfill site. It is being used in all these things, as I told you about, and one thing more into waste to energy plant. So what all the waste is left, which is left now, it goes to waste to energy plant, and in that waste to energy plant, electricity out of it. We are burning that waste, obviously in the controlled conditions, and electricity has been generated. So zero landfill site. So this is how it works. See, the road is endless, and the means are again endless. It is for we to see how much it clicks us, how much we can go deep inside it. So we now are in a position like, okay, what else can be done? How can we reduce this? How can we collect this? So you can come into the collection also. Start collecting the waste. I've seen people around who have, left their a good blue collar job just to jump into this business, and they are really successful. The people, they have come into this, scrap dealing, collection of the waste, working on this waste, and earning money out of it. So the road is endless. All the best to all of you. I presume, Nikita, that can we come with the question hour round now? If there are any questions, or I can go through a few questions here. It's great to converse. If you guys have any questions,
hello, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah, hi.
Yes, ma'am. We have a question answer round now.
Sure.
Yes, we do have some questions. So there's one by Drashti. She's asking, how can we contribute to your NGO and work towards healing nature right now from our homes?
Okay. Oh, that's a really wonderful Drishti. I mean, this is the best question which I can, think of is, because in today's date, if I say, what is the best thing which I can do in sitting at home? I say, you eat fruits. Is this Drishti on the screen? Okay, leave it. So you eat fruits. Just start collecting the seeds. Nowadays, mango is coming in ample, all around. Just start collecting seeds of mango itself. Donate it to us. We can make seed balls out of it. We can spread it all across. Wherever we cannot plant trees, they can be spread around. we can come up with a lush green mango trees all across, or what else? If you can start composting, loveliest of all. Before this, I say, Drishti, first and foremost, start segregating your waste. Because unless and until you do that, nothing can happen. You have just make 2 dustbins from today. In fact, I have just 1 dustbin. I can share you my view on this. I just keep 1 dustbin, which is meant only to be given to the landfill site, which is I give only once in a week. That to minimum. Rest, the entire green waste, kitchen waste to be precise, either I give it to my dairy person, the milkman who is coming to my house, or I make biofuels out of it, or I just compost it. I collect all the seeds, even a lemon if you talk about. If when I'm just squeezing a lemon, I just collect together and I use these seeds for my kitchen garden. You talk about chili, you talk about spinach, pumpkin. So just start collecting those seeds, start developing a kitchen garden, come up with your own green cover. Why don't you come up with, a vertical wall being created in your balcony, wherever you are, terrace, create a green cover, breathe fresh air. This is contribution. If you want to contribute, please start doing that. Because of lack of time, I was not able to do it, but in my backside balcony, I have a grill. So earlier I used to always think I don't have the pots there. I can't, I don't have a place there. So I built up a vertical garden there. I utilized this lockdown period. I created a beautiful, vertical garden up there. So I'm creating my own green belt around. Okay, this is going off the track, but yes, if you wish to contribute, it can be in any form, working for your environment, wherever you are, whatever you're doing. Start thinking about one good thing. So I always say Environment Day is every day. It's one day is never, we cannot say, okay, June 5th is World Environment Day. No, I breathe every day. I'm creating waste every day. So it is my duty to have a good breathing, oxygen which I am breathing in and the waste which I'm creating. If that is done, I think we have achieved whatever the target is.
Anisha ji, I'd like to ask one thing. How did you make that payment bricks?
Okay, ma'am, that there are some technologies been involved, right? We are really working on it. That we had started with this also, like we started collecting the waste from the people around and setting up a process and giving this waste to the people.
All the waste collecting the shampoos bottle and everything in one bucket. When that bucket fills up,
yeah,
I give it to the person who is collecting the plastics. So I don't know कि वो लोग क्या करते हैं, but sometimes when I give, तो वो कई बार उसमें से सामान select करके बाकी plastic होता है, even bin.
See, ma'am, there was little disturbance in your voice, but what I could catch from what you are saying is, see, if you are giving this waste to any kabadi wala bhaiya, to any kabadi wala bhaiya, right? You are selling that waste to the kabadi wala bhaiya, 100% sure it is going to the recycler. Remember that. So you should be proud if you're earning 100, 300 rupees every month from selling your plastic, because it is definitely going to the recycler now. He's earning money out of it. No, ma'am, I can't hear you.
I'm not selling. I'm just giving to the person who is collecting plastics from the roads, and I've told that person to come and take plastics from me. वो जो एक बंदा नहीं होता जो बैग में लेके plastics.
I got it, ma'am.
Ma'am,
So,
whomever you are giving,
अगर मैं मेरे को उसको देती हूँ कूड़े वाले को, तो they throw it, they mix everything. Even if I segregate, they mix everything. Hello. Hello. Hello.
hello,
Hello.
hello, yeah, right.
मीनाक्षी जी,
Manisha, yeah.
अनीशा जी, तो वो लोग सेग्रीगेट करा हुआ जो वेस्ट होता है, तो वो मैं उन लोग को दे देती हूँ. एंड आई लाइक टू शेयर कि मैंने एक बहुत अच्छा हेलो, कैन आई
Yeah, I can hear you.
कारण मी रिपोर्ट वरती बघितलं ना, पेटल स्पेशलिस्ट तो स्वतःच आहे. मी म्हणलं तुम्ही आहे ना जागेवर त्यालाच विचारा पाहतो.
Rachna ma'am, I can hear you. Carry on, please.
जो सेग्रीगेट करते हैं वेस्ट, मैंने अभी आपको बताया हो, मैंने एक कॉर्नफ्लेक्स का डब्बा रखा है किचन में.
कधी पुढे होतात, कधी मागे होतात, कधी काय होतं, कधी काय होतं, अल्टरनेट होतात, कधी
I can hear you, ma'am. Please carry on.
कॉर्नफ्लेक्स का डब्बा रखा है किचन में, so I put all the plastics things in that box.
Okay.
वो चीज भी मैं डेली बेसिस पे वो बंदे को देती हूँ.
Right.
I don't sell myself, I don't sell, but मैं उसको हेल्प करती हूँ कि he can make out money from that plastic.
Ma'am, that's so lovely of you. I mean, that's really so good about you to think about such a person that he's, earning from this. Actually, he's selling it
Because
to the
जो
recycler.
हम फेंक देते हैं, वो जो कबाड़ी कूड़ेदान में से उठाएगा तो वो बहुत ही गंदा हो जाता है. एंड टू बी ऑन हिज सेफर साइड, मैं जितना भी प्लास्टिक घर का होता है वो इकट्ठा करके उसको दे देती हूँ.
Ma'am, that's really a, applauding thing. Hats off to you. Honestly speaking, when I had started this, webinar, I told that waste management तभी हो सकता है जब segregation हो. हम जब तक खुद हम डस्टबिन में हाथ नहीं डाल सकते, हम कैसे एक ह्यूमन की तरह दूसरे ह्यूमन को बोल सकते हैं ये चीजें अलग अलग करती है.
रचना जी, हेलो, शानवाज है मैम. Let Manisha ji complete his then we will together give everyone time, and so they can ask questions to Manisha ji. So Manisha ji, you can continue.
Yeah, I'm just
right
answering Rachna ma'am's thing.
Okay.
That this is what we are starting from home, ma'am. हम अपने घर में अपना वेस्ट सेग्रीगेट कर रहे हैं, और या तो खुद या फिर हम किसी भी इंसान को अगर हम सेग्रीगेटेड वेस्ट देते हैं, तो उस इंसान को हम एक मौका दे रहे हैं कि प्लीज अपने लिए एक लाइवलीहुड अर्न करिए, क्योंकि उनको बेचने से उनको जो पैसा मिलेगा शायद उसका घर उससे चलता है. एक वेस्ट पिकर की जो सैलरी होती है वो बहुत नॉमिनल होती है. वो जो पैसा कमाता है सिर्फ वेस्ट बेचने से कमाता है. एंड वन थिंग मैम, अगर आप ध्यान देंगे हमारे घर में, इट इज गोइंग ऑफ द ट्रैक, बट इट इज वेरी स्मॉल थिंग, एंड आई थिंक एवरीवन शुड अंडरस्टैंड द ग्रेविटी ऑफ द सिचुएशन. मेरे घर में पेन होता है, मैं पेन का कैप है, इफ आई एम हैविंग अ पेन, या सी दिस इज अ पेन, राइट, एंड आई हैव अ कैप हियर. समथिंग फेल्स ऑफ, ये बहुत टूट जाता है, एंड आई जस्ट थ्रो इट अवे just because it's a very small piece. ना तो मैं इससे कुछ अर्न कर रही हूँ, ना वो वेस्ट पिकर भी इससे कुछ अर्न कर पाएगा. But remember one thing, this small piece is more dangerous for me and the environment as compared to a big bottle of plastic. क्योंकि ना तो वो बंदा सेग्रीगेट करेगा इसको, ना वो पिक करेगा इसको कूड़े में से, and he will not be able to earn. So at source ओनली मैं इसको सेग्रीगेट कर प्लास्टिक बिन में अलग से और उसको हैंड ओवर कर देती हूँ. So what is happening is he is earning money out of it. In the same fashion,
even I am doing the same thing.
Exactly, ma'am. That's really good. And इसको अगर हम एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप तक लेकर जाते हैं, तो जिनको इसका करियर एज सच पिक करना है, आई एम टेलिंग यू वंस अगेन, सी वेस्ट वाज लाइक, हम पहले कहते थे ओके ये वेस्ट पिकर है, वेरी फिल्दी पर्सन, सामने से ज्यादा था, प्लीज यूज टू जस्ट शू अवे फ्रॉम दैट प्लेस कि बहुत स्मेली होगा. बट if you are jumping into this as want to take this as a career, you are doing the most honorable job in this world. हम इस प्रतिभा को वो दे रहे हैं,
get a degree on how to go forward. I'm doing at my level, but वो नहीं आ रहा है मुझे कि मैं उसको कैसे pursue करूँ.
See, pursue, if you want to take there are two things here. You want to take an academic degree or you want to pursue your career. So academic degrees, ma'am, academic degrees is like, yes, there are so many, institutes. If I talk about, they are providing degrees on this. Even if you go and knock Terry is giving you very beautiful, waste management courses on this. So you can join there, definitely have a degree out there. But if you want to take it as a career, you don't need any degree for this. You can just start it right away. The place where you are living in, aapke aaspas, if you're living in a society, more wonderful. You can start with the composting process. You can start with the collection of the waste, segregating, obviously collecting the segregated waste, working on the wet waste at one go, and working on the dry waste at the another go. Then you can even start with the e-waste also. You're collecting e-waste, and e-waste has got gold inside it. So it's a very lucrative career, very lucrative. Obviously, it has to be done in very hygienic conditions, and there are been certain norms specified by the government also. So you have to apply for the license and all. But yes, it is definitely a very lucrative career. So it's just endless. You can start it right away also. You don't need to look into anything. You have a passion. I think you can do that.
Even I'm collecting mango seeds also. मैं plant करती हूँ हर बार, but उसको garden में कहीं पे भी लगाने नहीं देते थे.
Ma'am, donate to us.
The gardener से
donate to us.
हम नहीं लगा
Ma'am,
सकते.
we have adopted so many villages, and we will be really happy if you can provide us saplings, because we don't need to purchase it from outside. And there are so many places all over where we can be planted.
I'll try to put it in something and
Again, I request, ma'am, what you can do is, आपके घर में दाल के pouches, milk pouch, you can use that. Instead of purchasing those black pouches outside from the nursery, reutilize your resources. This is what entrepreneurship is. You are doing it at home. I think, hello? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I can hear.
Sure. So next question is, the Prayagraj is using artificial intelligence through putting sensors at work and proper disposing waste through during Kumbh Mela. Yes, of course, technology has definitely stepped in this. We are coming towards, this computer engineers, these guys, technical, gadgets coming into it, and that is really creating a very wonderful picture around. We can, see through cameras what exactly is being thrown, where it is, where to pick up, what to do about it, and can work on it definitely. So it's not about Prayagraj or Hardwar only. It is being now slowly and gradually been adopted by the cities also, and wonderful to say that our government, even the Delhi also, is slowly adopting these all technologies. And we really welcome, all the technical people, the engineers, come in this, help us out, and yes, we can come up with very clean earth also. Okay. If anyone has I made a model for waste management to decompose the waste as early as possible. If you allow me, then I can explain it to you. Yeah, definitely, Asitv, we will really love that. And honestly speaking, we are into composting, composting both of kitchen as well as, horticulture waste. Yes, vermicomposting too. So we are looking out, for various, different good options, how to be more innovative in composting, come up with very beautiful aesthetic, some models where we can really love that. Okay, oh, this is a composting site, such a wonderful site too.
Yeah, yes.
So that will most welcome.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, that was the model I just made. In last year, there was I made a truck. Just you have seen the trucks who just take the garbage from a garbage area, and I just distributed between the plastic waste, non-biodegradable, and the biodegradable waste.
Okay.
and I made the two components inside that truck, and I put the cutter inside it so I can grind it into small pieces so it can be easy for all of us. It can easy for the soil to decompose it as
Asif, you can
possible,
grind it or you can shred it.
and I grind it.
Grind it. Okay. So is it a
Hello.
live model you're talking
Yeah.
about?
Yes, ma'am. It's a live model, and I won the national certificate from
Oh,
national
great.
science certificate from that particular model. And yes, last year in the
Okay.
February, we won
Okay.
that. And if you allow me, and if I get a chance after the this lockdown, then I will definitely going to show you that, because it's
Okay.
fully working, and it is distributing the non-biodegradable, where we can use the non-biodegradable like plastic, metals. And one of the major things, ma'am, I supposed to use the magnetic. You have seen the some metals we throw, mobile batteries and e-waste.
Yeah.
We throw in the
Right.
dustbin. So I just made in that's a circular roll. So when we just throw the garbage inside that truck, so it can attach the metals, all the metals, carbon,
So you are
sorry,
able
not
to
carbon,
actually you
all
are able to collect all the metallic waste
the
in one
metals.
place. Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
And
that's
then
really nice.
it distributes the non-biodegradable and biodegradable waste
Mm-hmm.
separately, and then we can use the biodegradable waste as for farming and for the manufacturing of the
Mm-hmm.
manures, and then
Mm-hmm.
non-biodegradable for the construction of any works. Just like nowadays we are using for plastic bricks, so it
Okay.
can good for all of us, and it's plastic brick. It's more convenient as compared to the soil bricks. So
Okay.
it's making something, yeah.
Okay. Great, Asit. I think definitely we'll connect after this.
Yeah, ma'am.
Please do connect me. My number is there on my website also, and
Yeah.
we'll really love to see this. Because we are being approached by many people that how to, and we can take it further also. And we really love that
Yeah,
such
yeah, ma'am.
people, people are thinking about it, and the youth is coming for this. I'm telling you, this is the passion for cleanliness actually, and this is something
Yes, ma'am.
worth which we are doing for the life for the human being, because we need two things. We need a good fresh air around, first of all, and secondly, we have to reduce the waste what all we are creating. And
Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
we
Because,
have to
ma'am,
develop
as
immunity
you
also
know, ma'am,
nowadays.
2 3 years. Yes, ma'am. As you know, ma'am, 2 3 years back, Ghazipur landslide
Yeah.
took place at the that garbage mountain. And when
Mm-hmm.
I just went that place, and I have seen there was a huge mountain, and I was like, oh
I
my God,
know.
what's this? So I
Okay.
asked my parents, what is this? And they told me it's a garbage mountain, and I was
Oh,
shocked.
great.
Oh my God, what is this? Then I thought ki,
Okay.
oh my God, it's just garbage made in my own mountain.
Yeah.
My God, it was so huge, mama. It's something that I haven't expected.
Great, Asit. I have one humble request. If you're having this passion inside you, yes, definitely you can make it as a career, right? So stay connected with
Yeah,
us,
ma'am.
one thing. But secondly, you can start this at right away at your home also. Please start working on the
Yes,
waste
ma'am.
which you are generating. Now, just assume, Asit, there are all are start thinking like Asit, right? All the the population here in India or the entire world, they come up with this thing. So will there be any mountain? Will there be any problem? There won't be anything.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So this is a revolution which is required. Join together, work on it, and come up with this
Hmm.
revolution. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Achievable.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. So
Thank you,
should
ma'am.
we go
Thank you
to
very
the
much.
next one? Yeah.
Hi,
Great. Asit.
Manisha.
All the best. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hello.
Yeah, Sheetal.
Yeah, hi. So I am an upcycler. I work already
Oh,
with a lot of dry waste.
okay.
So
Wonderful.
I have been using, the wrappers and everything, the decoupage technique as well
Okay.
for glass bottles and stuff like that.
Right.
But I've never tried, composting wet waste.
Okay.
Okay, so if like everything that is considered as wet waste, for
Mm-hmm.
example, any kind of vegetable peels or anything, anything that goes into the dustbin as wet
Mm.
waste, can that be composted?
Yes.
So
Where are you located, Sheetal?
I am located in East Delhi.
Okay, East Delhi.
Mhm.
Okay. Sheetal, anything which can be degraded is basically composted.
Okay.
But it depends, you know, there are various methods of composting. So it depends what type of waste it is. Because, you know, like animal waste, it has to be composted in a different fashion. If I talk about kitchen waste, a little different fashion. If I talk about parks, horticulture waste, it has got a different, you know, mode of composting. So again, it depends what type of waste it is. Yes, it is possible, practically possible. So if you wish to pursue this also, most welcome. We are there to help out whoever, wherever you are, to please work on the waste. I think she's okay.
Yeah, I think she's having a
Right.
connection.
So
So if anybody has any doubts, they can
can you
unmute
give an
themselves.
answer? Somebody, Shanawaz. Okay. Can I add
Hello.
something?
Hello.
Yeah. Yeah, Rakesh.
Yeah, hi. Yeah,
Hi.
hi, Manisha. Can you give some, tips for the kitchen wastage to make it compost? Because that's the normally biggest thing which we have in our wastage. Or if you have in your
Lovely, Rakesh.
website.
Lovely. Mm. It's really lovely. Nice to hear that. I mean, because you know, in today's date, forget about entrepreneurship. We have to start from our home front only. So yes, we
Yeah,
have
that's the main thing.
right. Yes, you can compost your kitchen waste, definitely. There are various methods. If you go and search online, there are various, you know, techniques also available. So you can do, and if you want, yes, you can just connect with us. We will help you out in that also. Where do you stay?
I stay in Ahmedabad right now.
Oh, you are in Ahmedabad. Yes, you can find some local vendor there, or otherwise I suggest is you must be having some matka or something with you.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, we'll take this separately. You can connect with us. We are having some composting, you know, webinars being conducted, so we can intimate you about that also.
Sure.
And you can start there right away. Definitely.
Okay, I will connect with
Sure.
you on
Yeah,
separate
sure.
platform, then
Please.
we'll
And really good to hear that. Yes, matlab, because you know what, this is a thumb rule of entrepreneurship. जो काम हो सकता है उसी वक्त, अगर हमने सोचा हम कल से शुरू करेंगे, forget it. So you are the person who said, okay, right away I have to start this. Please do it. Good luck.
Sure.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Okay. And then there is Raghav wants to add something. Can every waste be composted? That needs to be segregated. See, Sheetal has asked that every waste to be composted or it needs to be segregated. See, whatever waste you are into, it has to be segregated first. We cannot work on waste unless and until it is segregated. Yes, all types of waste can be composted. The only thing is we have to see where we are composting. So there we have to take care of, otherwise yes, it's possible. I think I have already also answered this. Okay,
non-technology side, that is collaborating with the colleges all over Punjab.
Okay.
And then doing the different kinds of initiatives, road
Okay.
drives, plantation drives.
Okay, wonderful.
So I would like to, I would love to join with you and help you.
Most welcome, Raghav. Can you elaborate little bit what exactly technology you're talking about? so that
Artifici-
others can also hear?
Artificial intelligence,
So what exactly you were doing with that?
I did work with blue water technology. That is
Mm-hmm.
how to prevent the crops,
Okay.
weedicides, how the farmers can use
Okay.
it on it. And I've worked with the also the ARO,
Mm-hmm.
AROO, that is also prevention of the crop and irrigation
Okay.
facilities, how the farm use it
Okay.
and how we can prevent waste.
Okay. That's really nice. Nice to hear that, Raghav, and it will be really good for honor for us to be associated with, such smart people who are working so hard to, for the farmers especially, because in today's date, as we know, everything was closed down except the essential things like food. We cannot survive without food. So we have to look for our farmers, we have to help them out. And definitely they are, contributing for the environment also. So yes, it's really good, wonderful to be in connect with you. Please be in touch. I think, yeah,
Thank you.
we have shared our email ID also. So anyone who wants to can definitely contact us.
If nobody has any other doubts, then we can move the announcement of the
Yeah,
winners of the
sure,
photography
sure,
competition. Then.
Animesh. Thank you so much for reminding that. And it was such a lovely session that, I mean, how the time flies, we not even aware of that. And
Yeah, we had a lot of good questions as well.
yeah, right, definitely. And I hope it is beneficial for all of you. I mean, though we touch based on very, basic things, but yes, definitely,
Yes, ma'am.
it's you can think of this line to be taken as a career. It worked for
Definitely.
me, honestly. So I think then it can work for all. Definitely. Yeah. Okay. So Animesh, we had the three categories here. So the first one
Yes,
was the
ma'am.
flora category, and the first, I mean, the participant was Ashish Niranjan. He's the person who has got the first prize in this. Then Shruti Uday Patkia, second, and third is Neha Singh, right? And I mean, their photographs will be displayed on the Instagram of Green Enthusiast.
Yes,
Am
ma'am.
I right, Animesh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in the
Greenenthusiast.ngo. They
wildlife,
can
yeah, sorry.
they can
Okay,
matlab, log on to greenenthusiast.ngo's Instagram page and they can view their photos.
definitely. Even I will also see what is, all these three, flora thing. Okay, taken a shoot. Next is wildlife. So in the wildlife category, it's Roshan Swain, Jash Shet, if I'm pronouncing it, I'm so sorry. Okay, Lalit Niranjan. And then in the scenery category, it's Rahul Sengupta, Anmol Abhyankar, Keshav Chandak. So congratulations to all of you and to all the participants who have participated in this event. I mean, at least I'm really happy that you were so close to nature when you were shooting all this. So
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, really congrats to all of you, and thank you so much, Animesh. And thank you so much,
Thank you,
Try
ma'am.
Volunteer, as well as Green this Education Foundation. So I'm really honored to be a part of this, and I really enjoyed this session. It was so
Thank you, ma'am.
interactive, and I mean, even it's me who has learned. In fact, so there's so many guys who joined who has been so much into it, talking about AI and all that in the waste management, and really love that the youth is planning to come into this field, and we do not we are considering waste as resource, not as a waste.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Animesh,
Okay.
ma'am, Manisha ma'am, thank you for joining us. I'm
Oh
Bala.
yeah, Bala is there.
Yes, I am here.
Okay.
So I request Animesh to just read out the names of the jury who
Jury,
actually
yes, sir.
took part of like deciding the winners.
Okay, sir. So, like I mentioned, the panelists who were responsible for choosing of the competition. Have first is Mr. Ajay Kaur, Senior Director of Everstone Capital. which operates in various restaurants in India and abroad as well, including brands like Burger King, etc. Then the second jury is Miss Ajita Madan, co-founder and CEO of Nth Adventuro Evento Private Limited. Then we have, last but not the least, Mr. Bhavik Thakre, international nature photographer with more than 30 plus awards in the photography field. So these were the jury who were responsible for choosing the photographs. So very much. And ma'am, thank you, Ms. Seni ma'am, for this wonderful webinar that you conducted and letting people know about how we can start segregating at home, which is the most important thing we can do in order to help protect the environment, and also helping understand the budding entrepreneurs out there and how they can contribute in making the environment a better place, and how much waste management is the need of the hour. So thanks for that.
Yeah, thanks Animesh, thanks Bala. And one thing I will again like to add in here, see, budding entrepreneurs, that's okay, perfectly fine. All the budding entrepreneurs, please, my humble request, start from your home, start from where you are, from today itself. If you started from today, half of the work is done. So yes, definitely be in touch, be in contact, stay in touch, and we are there, all of us here, to help you out anytime, anywhere. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. I would also like to thank our volunteer for helping us host this webinar. And
Yeah, sure, definitely.
And those of you who want to be part of this waste management journey, so they can contact Manisha ma'am on their website Harajivan, and also those who want to check out the photographs of the winners, they can go to greenthusiast.ngo on Instagram and they can see the photos. So thank you, ma'am.
So thank you, Manisha
Thank you.
ji and Aminesh
Thanks.
Bala from Green Enthusiast for joining this precious call to share your thoughts regarding environment and all. And hope, as Manisha ji said, like we have to start for environment awareness from home. So we should focus with our own and the locality first, so that we can contribute something for the environment. We have to start by own self, like how we can segregate waste or in our kitchen and take it back to the waste collector. Okay. Thank you everyone for joining the call.
Okay.
Thank you, Avinash.
Bye.
Thank you, Manisha ji.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you,
Thanks,
Shanawaz sir.
Shanawaz.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.